Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video. It's your girl Vita. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Did you do it? Alright, come on. I bought a wig off Amazon. This is the package that it came in. And I did open it already, so I do know what it looks like and, you know, all of that good stuff. But I wanted to show you all the hair because I'm definitely gonna try to kill this unit. I'm gonna try to slay it, okay? So I want y'all to see it firsthand. And these are really cute. So these are mink lashes. They say luxury mink lashes. They are really cute. I am gonna wear them too. And then it came with the care instructions, and there's also hair care instructions on the back. And this comes in the bag like this. The hair does stink. It stinks. This hair stinks really bad. This hair stinks. Like, it doesn't just smell like, you know, packed hair or nothing. No, this shit stank. So this is what it's looking like straight out the pack, okay? So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. It looks really natural. It looks like natural hair that's just been like washed kind of, and you know, this is how it dried. So this is the lace. It's a lace front, so it's ear to ear lace, and the hairline does look really good as well. It looks like it was you know, pre-tweezed and everything, but it's still really dense, so I may have to go in and just do a little bit more plucking. It's 150 density, so it looks really thin to me. It looks really thin, but we'll see. This is what the inside construction is like. So it kind of gives that lace material, but it's not lace. The wefts are sewn onto this like a cap. And there are 4 combs. 1 at the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the nape area. And there's adjustable straps. And then you have the lace at the back too. The lace at the nape. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I'm going to style it. I have my mousse. I'm going to style it. I'm going to braid my hair. I'm just going to put some French braids going straight to the back so this wig can lay flat. And I will be back when I'm done. So this is what it looks like washed. I still have no product in it, but this is what it looks like wet. The curl pattern does come out really, really good. It does look kind of thin in the back. Let's see if you can. Yeah, it looks a little thin. But so I'm just gonna go ahead and style it, and then I'm gonna let it dry. The parting, everything, the lace looks really, really good. This lace looks good. So I don't think I'm gonna do anything to it, honestly. It has the baby hairs already. Yeah, it has baby hairs, and I'm just going to wear a new stocking cap. And yeah, so I think I want like a side part. Let's see.
going upstairs. Some gonna rub my buttock